You don't come back. That place. Because if you put it immediately, it will connect. It will not go.
Spread out. Then go to second command is done. I don't come work to see. Work debit and that.
The video your point is shooting.
I got the video.
Now this one.
Wow. My two level
Now guy was.
That was never. For this one.
I'm feeling like it's not really
Maybe
Not
this particular place has issue.
Or maybe.
Because if you put it immediately, it will connect. And
They thought this was one she remove the one, put it back, the thing on. You remove this one, put that back.
now from here.
Maybe the wire.
Bring this charge controller.
Go tear down.
This carton wey dey ground. Use one hand carry am na because e no heavy. No, you for use one hand carry am.
Now small challenge.
Sir, this guy has coins yo.
Charge controller.
The MEP, the PW. Na be this.
No, here color blue ni.
Na green you dey see blue.
No, now.
Wow.
So put them inside. No, we are putting
Because I don't treat you by someone who pays me.
But shall you see when we flog it, it read 8 arms, 10 arms.
So as you bring nice move now, as you bring nice move now, it will still work.
Kenny, him, and
Emma?
Ma?
this month now I go
As you there like this now, you go still work for wetin you do now. No go work again now.
You know they give us 2 months now, so we
We go use this one.
No, we want to use the 2 before, so you will see how this one work and how this one work.
I've been a WhatsApp people.
So
Me and
you'll be able to take like that. Voices.
Yeah. Okay, you don't even almost wash and finish.
This one are MPPT way of that experience. This one are PM.
You will see that you hold it.
PWM.
Just
I've been a PWM.
one are they run. This one is MPPT. Lose this edge.
Let it come close.
This one, this one will convert the voltage to amps to charge. But this one will just pick only the amps available to charge the battery. If it's low, it will pick like that. If it's high, it will pick like that. But this one will regulate all the excess voltage. Leave am on now, we dey pick at any time. The only thing they do is they delay. Instead, we go convert the voltage now. Like me say, like that 68 volt we are having. Blood of Jesus. Put it here first. It's for practical use. Just put them for them. Where they school, where that's school.
So people just like 5 kV or 3.5.
Which one? This is there.
If the customer still intends to upgrade.
You use 40 amps. No, it depends. So it depends on the number, like your amps you are
If the
generating.
customer have in mind.
And if money day, you use this one. But me, I like using all these ones. More than that.
This one cost past.
This one did cost.
This one is.
Wait, like that. That's
But it will give you a nice
Or
walk.
they deliver.
It's around 45,000. 40,000. No, the 40 amps is 20,000. So I around that 40.